Today we're gonna make a metal necklace, and I'm gonna use this metal stamping kit from ImpressArt. I'm gonna link it below, so you can buy it yourself also. I'm using this gold metal plate and I'm stamping away a word to the metal plate using the small letter stamps and a metal hammer. Now you can't really see the word, so I'm gonna add some black acrylic marker to make it pop out a bit more. I'm gonna let the marker or the paint dry for a few minutes and then wipe out the excess. Then I have this gold metal ball chain and some charms which I'm gonna add to the necklace.